Everyone watches YouTube for free, and there are people that take this opportunity to make thousands of dollars a month by simply uploading videos to YouTube which they don't even create themselves or show their face in any of these videos. This is a faceless YouTube channel, and this channel makes over $17,000 a month. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make over $10,000 a month with a $0 budget. So the first thing you need is a niche to create videos in. It is very important that you choose a niche that is already working on YouTube, and you can find a niche by opening a new YouTube window. The best is if you are not signed into any account, and then you just scroll through your homepage and see if you can see any videos that are faceless. I will tell you 3 niches that are very trending at the moment. The first one is the animal niche. This channel is a good example of an animal channel niche. So you can see here they are just uploading videos of animals, and they are making about $50,000 a month by uploading these videos. The second niche that is trending in the last few years is the technology niche. This channel is a good example for the technology niche, but they are not uploading anymore, and they are still making almost $9,000 a month. And the last niche is the top 10 niche. I think everyone looked at a top 10 video in their life, and the good thing about a top 10 niche is that the videos are very evergreen if you choose the correct video topics to create videos on. This channel is a good example for the top 10 niche. As you can see, they are uploading top 10 videos, and they are making about $100,000 a month. Now you have your niche in which you want to create videos in. Now you need to create a YouTube channel, and after you created a YouTube channel, you need to optimize your YouTube channel and put in some keywords in your YouTube channel. Let's say your channel is about technology, then you should only add technology related keywords into your YouTube channel. Otherwise, YouTube will not understand to which audience they should show your videos to. It is very important that you should not forget to add a channel banner and a logo, because otherwise your YouTube channel will just look very unprofessional, and some people will not subscribe to your YouTube channel because of that. Now you probably think, but on which topics should I create videos on? That is actually very easy to explain, because you have to go to the channels in your niche and look at their videos and look at which videos are doing extremely good in the last month. Write those videos down and recreate videos like that, but do not copy the script or anything from that video, because otherwise that person who owns that video can strike you, and if you get 3 strikes on your YouTube channel will get deleted from YouTube. So make sure to try to create a better video than that, and also change up the title a bit, and try to make a better thumbnail as well. To get video clips you can use in your videos, you can either download videos from YouTube, but then you have to be very careful and only use clips under 7 seconds in your YouTube videos. Otherwise the person that owns that video can strike your channel or copyright claim that video. So really make sure that you only use clips that are under 7 seconds long, and make sure to add your own value to those clips. The second way to get content which is not going to get copyright claimed is by using stock footage. You can get free stock footage from the website Pexels or Pixabay. You do not have to pay anything on that website, and you can download as many videos as you want. I will put a link into my video description to those websites. Now you need to edit those clips into a whole YouTube video, and you can do that using your phone, but the best way and the professional way to do that is by using your PC. I use the editing app Premiere Pro. It is not free, but you can get free versions on the internet of that app. Like I said, make sure that you only use clips that are 7 seconds long if you use YouTube videos, and you should also make sure that you add a voiceover to your video, otherwise your channel will not get monetized. But you can get cheap voiceovers on Fiverr if you don't want to do it yourself. So check that out as well. Now your video is basically done, and all you need now is a thumbnail. You should make sure that this thumbnail is very good and that it grabs people's attention, because if your thumbnail is bad, no one will click on your video. Make sure that it's very visible in the thumbnail about what the video is. Try to use some text but not a lot. And then very important is that you should add a red arrow or a red circle. And many people say that you should not clickbait in your thumbnails, but I think you should, because I mean almost everyone is clickbaiting on YouTube, and then those people still say don't clickbait in your videos. But please don't clickbait too much. So don't use a thumbnail that has nothing to do with your video, because then your audience retention is going to be bad, because people are going to click on your video video and just click off again. So now you need to upload the video to YouTube. That is very easy. You can just go to the upload button and click on it, and then you basically just drag your video onto YouTube, and then it starts to upload. Once it starts to upload, you should add your thumbnail to your YouTube video, and you should make sure that you have a very attention-grabbing title. Do not copy the exact titles of other videos, but what you can do is that you use that title from other videos and just change it a bit. And then for your video description, try to use your title as many times as possible, and just basically try to include keywords into your title which explain about what your video is. And then for your tags, do the same. Try to use the keywords that you used in your video description to add to your tags, and that way YouTube will know exactly about what your video is and who they should show it to. Okay, so now you have your video online, but how can you earn money now? I'll tell you 2 ways now how you can earn money with YouTube, and the first way is with affiliate marketing. So for example, if you create a video on the top 10 tools, then you can sell affiliate products through your video and make money with that. Let's say for example you sell a tool that is $100 and you get a 40% commission. That would mean that you make $40 straight profit for every sale you make. And let's say you get 100,000 views and you have a conversion rate of 0.5%. That means that 500 people will buy that product through your link. And this means you will make $20,000 with only 100,000 views. And then there's YouTube automation, where you earn money by putting ads onto your YouTube videos. But before you can do that, you need to reach 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. But now you probably think that will take a so long time. But trust me, this will happen faster than you think. Because if you think about it, if you upload a video every day for 30 days straight, and every video gets an average of 1,300 views, and all of these videos are around 12 minutes long, and you get an average audience retention of 50%. This would mean you get 6 minutes of watch time per view you get on your YouTube channel. And if you then get 40,000 views on your YouTube channel, the watch time will be completed. And in most cases, you will have 1,000 subscribers if you get 40,000 views. But that is only the case if you ask the people to subscribe. But don't ask them in the beginning of the video, ask them at the end of the video. And make sure to really only publish good videos. Once you're monetized, try to add an ad every 2 minutes in your video, because that will maximize the amount of money you will get from every video, and it will bring up your CPM a bit. Now lastly, I just want to mention that this is not something that you will get rich overnight with. You should upload at least 33 videos to really see what you should upload on your YouTube channel, because some of those videos will get more views than others, and then you just stick to those videos that got more views and just keep on posting videos like that. And then within time you get better and one video will go viral. I hope that you guys learned something in this video. If yes, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you subscribe, comment I subscribed, and I will reply to every single comment. And then we will see each other in tomorrow's video again. Bye.